Liu-Husi Serviço Programa Kooperasaun Defeza Timor-Leste, Força Defesa Austrália Timor-Leste, a Libur Nacionalidade Husi Nação Hodi no Nação Selo, nebe contribui a mútuo com a atividade Dili dozen sexta-feira, né? E a Cristo Rei Dili. Atividade Dili dozen, né? Hau ia tukutolo madrugada, participante sira halai sai tung escada toda sanulu resen rua, cada ema ida no remata ia tukuwalu dadersan. Adido Defesa Austrália e Timor-Leste hateten, objetivo usi atividade Dili dozen, né? O insa atu halibur nação Hodi, a localidade no tau osta na mutuk, Hodi foi Apoiu Fundus ba Klinika Ordem de Malta Timor-Leste, Realiza Atividade Dili.
Today it's based on, in Australia, there's a big mountain called the Pyramid, and it's a race that goes up and down to the pyramid where we raise money for charity. So we decided, because Cristo Rei is so important in Timor-Leste, that we did it 12 times. So we wanted to make it tough for everybody to do. So up and down from the bottom to the top of Cristo Rei 12 times. The Dili Dozen is organised by the Australian Defence Cooperation Program as a fundraiser. It's a physical exercise that is really difficult to do, but it's an opportunity to bring together people from nations around the world. We had friends from Indonesia, from Timor-Leste, from Portugal and Brazil, New Zealand, United States and Australia to come together to raise some money for a very good cause. We had over 60 people compete today, and many others put some donations in, and we were fortunate enough to be able to donate over $3,450 to the Ordem de Malta.
Gerente Klinika Ordem de Malta e Timor-Leste, hatu agradece também belheta na apoio husi parceiros sira.
The Ordem de Malta Clinic in Timor-Leste. We are very happy. We are grateful for the support from DCP, the efforts of all the participants coming from all over the country. So it was very flattering for us to get this kind of support to enable us to serve more people in the country.
Enquanto total orçamento nebe makfo apoio ba Klinika Ordem de Malta ne, hamutuk rihuntolu racing. Além de distribuímos trofi ba mananain no certificado, ba participantes sira nebe mak participa atividade Dili dozen.